Hello guys, it's Alexander from Invest. Welcome to a 24th basic Python tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be going off what we learned in the last tutorial about reading lines and text files and all that good stuff, and working on writing a text file. And it's actually not that hard if you know reading well. So let's get a new document open here, new and then we can say shows how to write a text file, and then say creating a text file with the right method. Spell that right. And in order to do that, as you may know, you open, and we're going to call write-it.txt, and it's going to be in mode W, meaning write. So once we do that, we will be let's just write some stuff in that text file dot write. Let's say line 1 and new line there. Text file dot write line, this is line 2. Text file write, this is line 3. And we are just going to save this as write-it.py, and we're gonna run this file. What happened here? Oh, I didn't close the quotation marks there. Alright. So okay, once you run it, now you should go to wherever you saved this thing and see if you can find the write-it file. And here it is for me. I found it, and it has nothing in it right now. So we got it, but nothing is written in there. So there is probably something wrong or something that we didn't include here. But I'm gonna be looking through this right now. Alright, I cannot see the error for this. Oh, actually, you know what? It's probably because I didn't close the file. In the last tutorial, I told you how important it is to close the file. That may be one of the reasons for what happened. And yep, here we go. Line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3, that's what happened. So yeah guys, again, a classic mistake there. You gotta close it out, because if you don't, you saw how there was nothing inside the text file. So we have that done. Now just to prove that this works, you can actually just do a print here. Here's another way that you can prove. Do what we learned from the last tutorial on how to read stuff, and just use the R mode, and that's just going to show you how useful this thing actually is. Reading and writing. Let's see what happened here. Okay, comma, not a period. Oh my god, I'm making mistakes all over the place right now. Okay, but yeah, here we go. Line 1, this is line 2, line 3. So that's how you prove that it actually works, or you can actually go to the physical file and find it right here, which that wasn't there before. Trust me. Okay, so how do you write a list of strings to a text file? Because we learned how to write strings, not a list. So let's do that, and that's not hard either. I'm just gonna get rid of all of this. You should pause the video if you still need that. Okay, and I'm just gonna change this print method to create a text file with read lines method, and this is the method that it's like write lines. Write lines and read lines are essentially the same thing. One is to write, one is to read lists of strings. So it's pretty intuitive. And let's just write something here. Lines is equal to line 1. This is line 2. And this makes this line 3. Alright, close that out, close the brackets out, and then all we have to do is do text file dot write lines, use the method, and just put lines in, which is what we assigned all this to lines, and close out the file. And to prove that actually works, text file equals open write-it.txt mode R, and again, once you read it, you also have to close it as well. But before I do that, I'm gonna use the read method, and then I'm gonna close it out. There we go. Now let's run this thing, and then here it is. Line 1, this is line 2, and this makes this line 3, and that's basically stored in the text file write it. Okay, so that's that, and basically that's all you need to really know for now. Hopefully this helped on how to write, and now you know how to read and write things in a text file. I actually did a video on a real-life experience on using this, so please check out those videos. If those are confusing, leave a comment in either this video or in that video, and just basically have any questions, leave that in the comment section. I'll get back to you as fast as I can. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe if you still haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.